welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be a haul that you guys, well, video that you guys probably been waiting for this whole freaking month, which is my back to school haul. And I got like maybe 3 to 4 back to school hauls for you guys, so y'all gonna thank me later. Y'all gonna thank me later. Okay, little disclaimer, multi stuff, I'm not gonna wear back to school, but obviously majority of them I probably am. So let's get right into the video. Get right into it, baby. So Dollskill is a blessing to me. They always hook your girl up. They sent me mad items and I'm so excited. And it's just like I don't have to go back to school shopping, even though I already did. I know. I start school on August 28th, baby. Like, I'm so upset. I know you're probably like, I said this start school in September. You said September. Yes, I know what I said, but they had the nerve to email me yesterday talking about, oh, sorry for communication, but school starts next week. Basically, when you see my preparations for school, y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. Let's get right to the video because first of all, your girl got 2 big boxes from Dollskill. Really, Icylinn? What? Your girl got 2 boxes from Dollskill, baby. Whew. I'm like so excited. Yeah, I don't know. I was waiting for this to come. Alright, guys. My face here because I've been holding it for mad long, but I had to get my thumbnail. Like, this is the first box that I got, but it's mostly accessories, so let's get into the clothes first, baby. I got like a few items in that one too, but this is the big baby right here. Let's start off with this big ass box. Oh my god, so many freaking goodies. Like y'all don't understand. Y'all don't understand. So first item I got me was this on the go cargo set, and I really wanted a skirt like this. Y'all don't understand. Like, I literally just ordered me a similar skirt like this on a different website, but it's like a different color and all that, but I'm so happy I can get this color. But anyways, where is it at on here? Skirt. Yeah, this is $38, so that's that. All my items are in size small, unless the accessories are gonna be one size fits only. One size fits all. Right? It's so cute, right? I know. I have to give y'all a second to look at it. Alright, so basically it comes with this belt. And it gives me like Kim Possible vibes. Like, Kim Possible. Call me, beat me. If you want to reach me, head ass. That's what it gives me. It's so cute. It has the black buckle that comes with it, like the black belt. And I hope it's adjustable because it's looking pretty big on a girl. I think it's so cute though. Like, I really wanted a skirt like this for, like, for the longest. Not the longest, but let me stop being extra. And also it's khaki. Like, if you wear a uniform, baby, just put this on. Like, cute. Make it look cute. Make your uniform look cute. That's what I used to do. Alright, so honey down to chill. Crop top. It was $35. Why every time I want to film, they want to pass by my house? Knowing damn well there's no emergency. They just want to freaking go past all the cars. Like, y'all not slick. We know there's no emergency. Just so you guys know when you guys are watching, alright? You're probably not. Anyways, it's just this basic crop top. No, I did not know. I did not know that was gonna be like this short. Hopefully on me it's not that short. It's probably just like super duper tight. Doesn't look that short actually. But if it is, obviously just buy some Hollister jeans because they have ultra high rise, or is it American Eagle? I think they both do. They're basically the same company. I don't care what nobody says. It's like a mocha color, brown, you know, nude. Well, not really nude. Okay, anyways, it has buttons. Can you button this? Yes, you can. So you could button this, guys, so it's not showing your cleavage. If you don't want to show your cleavage at school, just button it up. So school appropriate. And it's long sleeve, which is perfect because fall is coming, sadly. Even though, like, I don't know, like, I love summer, but sometimes I just be like, alright, you're doing too much, you know. Alright, this next item is called No Chaos Knit Bodysuit, and this was $35. This is $35. I keep saying was. It is. It's back to school. I'm trying to like hook you guys up, you know what I'm saying? So go shop Dollskill because they ship out fast. First of all, they ship out super fast, and they have cute things, and it just like they always be having sales. So just look for the sales. It's just a plain black bodysuit. It just looks like this. It's like a denim material kind of sorta. Yeah. So basically at the top it's just like, you know, I don't know, carves out your boobs basically. Can you see it, guys? See what I'm talking about? Like that part. Yeah. Just a plain black bodysuit. I just feel like I need like some basics for back to school because I don't have no like basic black bodysuit or just like a white one. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't have like ones without designs on them or just like extra stuff going on. Like, and I know you guys are probably like, well, Icyy, why you gotta dress like it's school time? I forgot to tell you guys, but I'm going on a trip well, on vacation, my summer vacation, but it's gonna be in winter basically, like the end of November, early December. So basically I'm leave like on the 30th of November. I mean, no, 30th, the 28th of November, coming back like probably on the 8th or whatever to Jamaica. So, you know, I'm trying to get ready. But anyways, when you start school, it's still gonna be a little bit hot. So like for me, I start school next week and it's still gonna be kind of hot. So anyways, just this mini, it's supposed to be a midi dress, but this is like really long because I'm short, so we love that. And it looks long regardless. Basic black dress, you know, it gives me like the boy tank top vibes because this is how the boys tank tops be looking like, but it's still cute and it's ribbed material. If you guys don't know what that is, it's how it looks, ribbed material. So this is called the Wicked High Maintenance Crop Hoodie, and this is that. It's just a black hoodie. It has like a cutout right here at your rib cage. Basically, it's not your boobs, calm down. And it's really cute. I think it's like, I don't know, like it's simple but it's still like different, you know. And it has the hoodie. I don't know, I just love hoodies. I don't even be wearing hoodies like that. I just like to have the hoodie there. I don't know. But yeah, so, and you have a drawstring as well if you want to just like, you know, take that apart. You obviously can. I like to tie mine into a bow. I don't know why. But yeah. And if I see what, like, you know, it's not tied to drawstring, I'm going to tie it in a bow for you. Alright, next up is a bodysuit in some color. So, I know you're probably like, Icylinn, where are you wearing this step? Oh, calm down. Calm down. You know, this is a bodysuit, right? You put the bodysuit on, you're going to see, like, your stomach part. Oh my gosh, this is washing out. You're gonna see like your stomach part obviously, but when you put it on, it's not gonna look too much, okay? I promise you. Okay, it probably still will, but girl, just don't wear it to school, period. Wear it on the weekends. It's just really cute. I really like it. I was like, I need to have it. And then on the side just has so much detailing. It's like the cute little big pocket with the little tassels. You know, you could tie it, make it longer or make it shorter, you know, however you want it to be. More tassels. Is black and white, and it's good material, like a thick freaking ribbon. I like this. And on this side, it doesn't have a pocket, but it has like more tassels. Oh my gosh, this is washing out, girl. Like this side, it has more tassels, right? But like it just has like the piece that you're supposed to connect to the other side. So I don't know how that works, but I'm not doing all that. But it's really thick, so it's like good to wear like in the fall kind of, because it's too hot to wear right now. I'm gonna tell you guys that now. It's kind of like thick, but then again, you probably could get away with this if like you don't get too hot. I get hot really fast, so I don't know if I can wear this right now, but you can wear this right now if you want to. I probably am gonna still wear this right now. But here's the next item. It's so cute. This is like a nude, like this is the nude I was trying to look for. $40, and it says nude as the color too. That's crazy. And yeah, I just think it's so cute. I love how, like, you know, it has like the cutouts of your boob. You know, not the cutouts, but you guys know what I mean, right? Like it's carved out. The sculpture, you guys get it, right? Okay. It's not adjustable, but like it's still cute. Like, come on. The texture, the detail, and the material is so high quality. I really like this. I really like this. It's really cute. Not see-through, so we love that. This was $38. It's a two-piece set. Only two-piece set that I got. Alright, so this is the top. And if you guys saw my huge summer haul, you guys will see that it's kind of similar because I was trying to get this set from Runway, but they sent me two freaking tops instead of the top and the bottom, which is so dumb. Well, here's the top. It's really cute, and it feels better than the Runway anyways, but yeah, it's what it looks like. It's a small as well. All my stuff are small, like I told you guys. This does have a weird smell. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you guys. As soon as I opened it, I was like, what the smell is. Like, I don't know. It just smells weird. I don't like the smell of this. So I'm obviously gonna have to wash this before I wear it. But, I mean, you supposed to wash all your clothes before you wear it. But you guys know what I mean. Like, I'm really gonna have to wash this because I really don't like the smell. It really doesn't smell good. But it's really cute. The mesh is nice. Guys, here's the bottom. This is not shorts, though. This is a skirt. So, yeah, but it's still cute. It goes together. This really doesn't smell good. I'm sorry, but I just gotta hurry up and say this. But yeah, it's really cute. You know, the panties are right there. Well, it's not really panties. It's actually like the bikini. So yeah, I just gotta find me like a white bikini, like tube top, and then we Gucci. Alright guys, so a few more items to show you guys, and I'm gonna move on to the accessories. Next thing I got was these jeans. And I never got some jeans with Dollskill, so I'm super excited to see how these fit. You guys already know me. I always get my stuff from Fashion Nova. Every jeans I have are from Fashion Nova, so you guys don't even have to ask me. So for me to do this was kind of like, you know, scandalous. They just have like this cute little detailing in the front. I think it's so dope. Like, I just like it so much. And yeah, you take this off, obviously it's because they want to protect the scratches from the buttons, but it's buttons. It's not like this, but it's really cute. The pockets aren't real, but it's still cute. It has like the stressing. And my mom didn't want me to get no rips in my jeans. So, mommy just don't have no rips in them. Be watching. I don't have no rips in these jeans. So, you're welcome. But it just has good vibes. A good vibes tag in like lime green right here. Which I'm always going to take off because like, that's kind of random. Like, yeah. I think it's a shirt. Yeah, it's a shirt. It says, "Bitch, I might be baby T." Because if you guys don't know, I love Sweetie. So... it just has a B word on it, and I'm not gonna say it on camera. It's really cute, just a basic little t-shirt, and it's full length. I have to think of the word. It's a baby tee, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna fit tight like how I like it, so we like that. But it's still not gonna show your stomach, so school appropriate. Alright guys, so on to this box, which mostly has all my accessories. I'm just trying to find like my clothing items, which I don't have that much in this one. So yeah, 13 plus 8 makes 21 items. So I got 21 items in total from Dollskill. I want to thank you guys so much because baby, y'all bless the hell out of me. So if you saw my get ready with me for back to school sophomore year, well, no, first of all, we're in junior now, baby. Junior year, you guys saw the skirt that I wore for back to school. I didn't go to school, I went to work, but it was just a video for my guys that was going back to school at that time. So calm down. Don't try to come for me because I did it for them because they asked me to do it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. That's all I'm going to say. But anyways, I have this cute little dolphin skirt kind of. It says Poster Girl at the back. And it's by the Poster Girl line, of course. They have so many lines on their website, which is so cool because it's like what your style / personality is. You just search up. Like, you know, look at that specific category. And this was $24, which is really inexpensive, and it's really thick and it's so high quality. Like, I freaking love it. Like, y'all don't understand. It's so cute. I didn't take no pictures in this sadly, but it's so cute. I'm gonna wear this again so I can take pictures in them because I did not wear it until I take pictures, and that's period. Mint, okay, I guess it's just a tube top, but it's not cropped. It's full length, so calm down. If you can't show your shoulders, just put on a jacket. That's how it looks. It says what boyfriend with a question mark because what boyfriend? It's hot girl summer, period. Hot girl semester, period. Yes, I have a boyfriend, so I don't even know why I'm saying what boyfriend, but it's really cute nevertheless. I think it looks really cute. What boyfriend, baby? Alright, so this is how this one looks. It's just really cute. It's just like a cute little tank top basically, and yeah, it's cropped. It's not that cropped, but it's pretty cropped. And yeah, it's just like kind of to like make it look like you tied the shirt, you know, you tied your little like tank top. It also reminds me of the BOYZ style, how they have like the thick straps. But yeah, I like that style. I don't know why, I just think it looks cute. So when they had this already pre-tied, I was like, let me just get that, so I'm gonna tie it myself. So let's move on to this box. It's full of accessories. We just love that. So let's start off with this belt. See, I don't know why, but I just really wanted this belt. I just thought it was so cute. I'm seeing like a lot of girls like, you know, getting this belt. I was just like, I want it. So I was like, let me just pick it out. And they have so many different colors. They have like rose gold, they have silver, they have gold. So many colors. Guess how it looks, guys. It's so freaking pretty, and it sparkles. And then the buckle is my favorite part because like I feel like the buckle just like, I don't know, like once you put this on, it's just so cute to me. I just can't wait to wear some jeans and just call it a day. Like, they're gonna look at me like, Iceyn, you so extra with this belt. You could wear like a basic outfit but then have this belt on and it just looks mad cute. Like, this was $18 and it's one size only, obviously, guys, and it's silver. It comes with earrings, which I did not know that. It just showed the necklace, not the earrings. So I'm not wearing the earrings. I don't like pearl earrings. I don't like studs, like, you know, like the studs like what I'm wearing right now. It's just a key, like a locket. Basically, it's like a locket type of necklace, basically. It reminds me of Just Couture. And I used to have this Just Couture, like, the style necklace, but I lost it. I don't know how I lost it. I got me 2 sunglasses, and I know y'all probably like, Iceyn, what? But I told you I'm going on vacation. Gotta prepare myself. I mean, so these were $15. And you have to like cute protective little, it's not even cute, well, I'm not saying cute. There's nice protective things so you won't scratch your glasses, or it won't scratch when like USPS don't want to be nice, you know, you feel what I'm saying? Here's the glasses. They're like mirrored effect basically. You guys can't tell. You guys can see my ring light and my phone. It's cute and it's white. I did have white glasses, but got these now. They're really cute. Say hi to yourself, guys. Alright guys, so next glasses are just these glasses like I told you guys. They're purple, they're cute, they're like visor kinda, sorta. I don't know how to make these work, so don't laugh at me. Now basically all I have now is bags to show you guys, so let's hop right into it. I have this mini book bag because I was like, it's gonna be back to school haul, let me just get a book bag. I'm so annoying, basically. Anyways, it's really cute. It's so tiny. And I always wanted like a black mini backpack because I just love mini backpacks. So I don't know. I just thought it was so cute. I never had a mini backpack, so now I have a mini backpack. Keep saying mini backpack because I love mini backpacks. Okay, it's so cute and it has like the blue trimming. And I was just thinking about like the first week of school, I just wear this like, you know, different cute little bags every single day, so I'm not gonna get much paperwork, hopefully, because your girl is a junior now, so you know. I heard it's the hardest year, and if it's the hardest year, I'm gonna cry. And they have like freaking oversized little like zippers or buckles, whatever, like clips, whatever. I think it's so cute, and you could like take it away if you don't like the oversized look, which I do. So I don't know why I took that off. My baby. Next is another mini bag. It comes with this little like dust bag, which is so nice, like luxury. Here's the freaking cute bag. Like, if y'all think this is cute, I don't know what to say, because this is so cute, and I can't wait to wear this on my vacation, because that's what I really got it for. And it has like the little like clip for the crossbody, like the little clip part, whatever. Anywho, it's fuzzy, as you guys could see. I never had a fuzzy purse, so I'm so excited. And it's like a hot pink chain and just wrap it around. I think it's so cute and has gold detailing all over. You know white chicks when they was like, hold my purse? Yeah, it's a white chick's purse. Alright guys, and it's just orange. I forgot how this looks. I think it's like all around you, like your whole upper body. I'm gonna just show a picture because I'm really not too sure and I don't want to open this right now. But it has like the zipper right here, the big zipper. You could put stuff in, like your phone. Has like 3 compartments. So this is the the medium size one. Put like your lip gloss, your money, credit card, whatever. And then this is just like for like change, basically. So the last thing that I was hoping they sent me, you know, like when you have companies send you stuff and just like, I hope they send me this one item. Yeah, this is the one item I was hoping they would send me. It comes in a dust bag as well, which is like so fancy. And I was looking for this bag but in pink, and they also had pink too, but it was sold out, so I had to get blue. Guys, look at this freaking bag, guys. It's a duffel bag. This is what I'm gonna be carrying on my vacation. You guys can already tell. Ooh, it's a lot. Alright guys, so this was $38 for this duffel bag, even though it's called a purse. It's in a purse for me, baby. It's a duffel bag. Comes with this little crossbody. You want to put across from you. And yeah, it's just so cute. Like, my mom was like, oh my god, I can't wait for you to wear it because it looks so cute on you because you're like a Barbie. I was like, yes, mom, you know. But yeah, guys, this is all like the freaking clothes. My accessories on the floor. But this is all the stuff I got from Dollskill. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos of me. And thank you to Dollskill for sending me all these items. Like, I really appreciate it. Like, I'm so grateful and so blessed that you guys picked me because, like, your girl don't really gotta shop for back to school, period. But I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye, pretty.